Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to texture this model like Doraemon. So let's start. I'm going to texture this like Doraemon. So let's go. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our final image of Doraemon. This is our final image. Let me save this image. Let me save this image in desktop. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.